If you're experiencing a leak with your Ocemida device, the most common cause is overfilling the bottle. When the water level rises above the maximum fill line, it can block the pressure release valve located in the cap. This valve is the small center hole you see on the cap, and it must never be submerged. If water covers it, pressure builds up inside the bottle and may cause leaks or even irreversible damage. Another possible cause of leaks is a misplaced, damaged, or worn seal. You can gently remove the seal using a small teaspoon. Carefully lift it from different points until it comes out. It's a good habit to remove and clean this gasket when washing your bottle. After removing it, inspect the seal under good lighting. Check for cracks, holes, or any misshaping. Dry off any excess water with a paper towel, then place it back with the lip facing upward. You can use the same teaspoon to gently press it back into position. When you screw the bottle closed, the seal should sit evenly to ensure a proper fit. By keeping the water below the max fill line and ensuring the seal is clean and properly positioned, you can prevent most leaks. If you notice a leak that doesn't seem related to these two causes, simply send a short video to our friendly support team and we'll be happy to provide a solution.